sunny day. I've got my water. Let's go for a walk. Totally apologise in advance if it's so windy today. Like, it says it's sunny, it wasn't that windy yesterday. But hey, we'll see. Hello! Yes, carry my drink. Thank you.
Prepared with a bag.
Yeah, boy.
And a banana.
Oh, nice. The wind's kind of blowing, I've got a bit of a runny nose to be honest, but I don't have any tissues. Dad!
Hold on a minute, I have tissue.
You got a tissue?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, boy! Dan, the man with the magic bag. Yeah, boy. Dan's giving me some deodorant.
I'm prepared with everything.
Nivea.
Good stuff.
Barely see you, Dan. So I've just heard it's going to be uphill for like 20 minutes.
What's the time? It's 3:06, so we'll see what time it is when we get to the top.
This is a popular location for the Mad Hat films. If you want to go check them out, link in the description.
Yeah, one time Matt, Charlie and Dan got me to lugged a load of like camera equipment up here, and it was exhausting.
Green stream with a green Dan. There's only one way to walk through these. Like this. You back in it? Tractor. Ew. Oh, it's not just grass, it's poo. When he said it's 20 minutes of uphill, he was not lying. We have not gone down since we began at 3:06.
Probably more than 20 minutes, to be honest, but oh well.
It's good exercise. Don't come on walks with me. Oh no.
It's okay.
Oh no.
It's just wet ground, it's not really muddy. Let's jump that first bit.
Nice. Up we go. You don't get walks like these in London. He's gone. He's leaving me. Some nice Christmas trees if anybody wants some for December. Oh man, I am so out of breath.
Break, go and drink.
No, I don't need a break.
No, I need a
Dan needs a break. I feel like
well, I just need a drink because my mouth's dry.
it's always more exhausting if you stop. If you keep on going, then you're fine. Bye. Oh no, not the tissues. Good news, everyone. We have more up.
More up.
Yay! This is a bigger incline than you think.
It's a tough one.
Like, I don't even know how to show you. It's just, it doesn't come through on camera. And it's mad. I'm like fully leaning over just to keep balance. But I want legs like that. Look at them. Oh. Yeah, one day. My heart rate is mad. Like, normal people will not be able to do this route, but if you're motivated, you can do it. But we've done the hard bit now. It's mostly flat now, and then I've been told it's going to go downhill, so it'll be a lot easier.
It's all downhill from here. But it's uphill because it's fine.
Started from the bottom, now we're here. But yeah, it's good walk. Definitely recommend if you need someone to walk with, take Dan.
I'm your man.
Dan's your man.
All the walks.
I'm going to test our heart rate. When do we start?
3, 2, 1, go.
Stop.
Beats per minute. 120.
Yeah, so I was 15, Dan was 12.
So it'll be 120, 150. It's alright, I'm a lifeguard.
I won't drown. Thinking about snacks, so I brought these little protein cereal bars. We got one each.
Bananas again.
Or we got bananas again. I'm gonna rock paper scissors, I reckon. For the healthy. Well, I guess this is kind of healthy as well, but that's probably more healthy. Right, ready? We're gonna go rock paper scissors, and then action.
Okay.
Rock paper scissors go. Ah, rock paper scissors paper. Ah, rock paper scissors rock. Ah, banana it is.
You're not fussy about
I'm
it?
not fussy. I'll
Okay.
this one. I hope it's not a mouldy one. Hold up everyone, forget the banana for a second. You've got a nice view down there. Where is that?
That's Minehead.
Yeah, but like,
See the church?
oh that's this.
St. Michael's Church?
That's the church there. So Minehead is down this area. We've got Dunster, and all the way over there you can see Hinkley Point Sea. That white speck right there. Blue anchor down here. You can see the red bits there. There is blue anchor. We're considering taking this little path that's down here. Might be nice. Don't know. Never been around here before. Dan, the man on navigation.
Yeah, 3.
We came from down there. We might not be on the right track. I don't know, Dan. What'd you say?
We've got to get down there to the next path.
Down there.
A fly buzzing around my ear and it was annoying.
Well, I walked into a cobweb you didn't tell me about.
I only saw it when it hit your face.
Is it safe? Nice. Here we go. What'd you see, Dan?
We are here.
We are there. We are on actual road now. We've left the roughness of the woods. Yeah, it's quite a nice walk. Definitely recommend if you're up for a leg workout, if you haven't been walking before. Take this guy.
If you ever come to Minehead, just let me know.
At the Turnerator
Yeah.
on Instagram.
Yeah. Hey Malik, do you want to see a nice view?
Yes, let's do it.
It's uphill again.
So there's another route apparently that we're gonna go up, but then we're gonna have to come back down the same way and go that way. But hey ho, who doesn't like some walking? Oh, it's already going up. This,
When you thought it was all over.
yeah, it's not over. This is another leg burner here. Oof. We have found a big house. Care home for the elderly. Yeah, just can't go any further, so we're gonna head back down. We have completely left the forest. I used to go to school just down there. Don't recommend it if you can avoid it. Oh, that's not very nice, is it? I got the right mask for this, but the dust is not nice. Not nice, is it, Dan?
No.
These are all new houses being built. They never used to be here.
Look quite nice.
Our school is basically like there. You can like take a little left there. There's a hospital, and then there's our school. This is what do you call this?
Rose garden.
Rose Gardens. Like this is the typical place we would go after school or like on our break. We'd just sit around. It looks very different now. There used to be a lot more grass and bushes and stuff. And there's Tesco, where we'd get snacks and sandwiches and stuff and eat it down here. We're walking across the train track here. Oh, thank you.
Train's running though, because otherwise closed.
No trains running.
No tourists.
Yeah, no tourists. Lockdown and all. Thank you.
Oh, Butlins, that's where I work.
Oh yeah, Butlins.
Ooh, I'm a lifeguard.
Yeah, I made a good choice wearing long trousers. So we're going to show you the seafront. You get to see the beach. Hopefully the water's close. It looks nicer when it is. Who's ready to see the sea? So yesterday we were walking all up there. Dan's left me now, so that concludes our walk. I'm just heading home. Yeah, it's good, long, like 3 hours, 4 hours of a walk. Last I checked, well, when we got to the top of the incline, I was at 7,000 steps-ish, so I'll check what I'm at now. There's a good amount of steps though. Yesterday was 14,000, so it'd be good to see what it is now. It should be more, because this route was way bigger. Thank you, Dan, for taking me on the walk. Thank you to anyone who's watching this. Hope you enjoyed seeing scenery and bits of Minehead. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.